Hello students, myself Anjali Ravindra Sahasrabudhe and I am going to give revision of standard 9 social studies because our course is over, that's why. And today's date is 10th February 2021. Answer the following question. Each carries 1 mark. Okay, according to our paper style I give you this revision. Which country become famous for the place Istanbul? Turkestan, Iran, Iraq, Syria. Which? In which year did Turkish Muslim win Constantinople? Which? So here 1453 Isvisan 1453 AD. The event of which place is considered important for an era of geographical discoveries? Begin. So here Istanbul. One of the following reasons is not included in reasons of the arrival of foreign tribes in India. So D option, policy of imperialism. Trade between India and Europe was carried out through land route and sea route. Which of the following arrangement of countries from west to east having important centers of this route is correct? So A is option India. So King Prince Henry, Portugal, Christopher Columbus. C from Italy. With the economic assistance from the King of the blank, Christopher Columbus began his adventure of the discovering a new sea route. So here Spain. Who discovered the Cape of Good Hope? So Cape of Good Hope, Christopher Columbus. By arriving at which Ireland in Atlantic Ocean in 1492, the adventure voyage of the Columbus stopped. A. West Indies. By which name the region that was really classified by the discoverer Amerigo Vespucci is known? So D. America. Who discovered the sea route to India in 1498 AD? So here discover American via A. A is answer. Which answer is here? A is Vasco da Gama. With the help of Indian sailor Vasco da Gama reached Port Calicut at which coast of the India? So here C, west. In whose state did Vasco da Gama get permission to do business by getting welcome? So here A, King Zamorin. One pair is not correct. Lisbon, Portugal, then Alexandria, Iran, Baghdad and Iraq, and D is what? Constantinople and Turkestan. So C here Alexander and Iran. In 16th century AD, the Queen Elizabeth of which country gave permit to do business with Eastern companies to East India Company? C. England. The businessman of which country established East India Company to do business with India? So here England. Indian places shown below in which Portuguese established trade center in India. Arrange them on the basis of map of the India from south to north in correct order. A. Due. One pair is not correct. Portugal, Portuguese tribe. Denmark, Danish tribe. Netherlands, Britishers, Holland, Dutch tribe. So here B. Netherlands, British. Which European tribe came first to do business in India? So Danish, Dutch, Portuguese, British. So here Portuguese. One statement is correct for the credit to discovery of sea route to India. So A. In 1498 AD, Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India. With the economic assistance of the King of the Spain began the adventure voyage to discover new sea route. In 1453 AD, Turkestan Muslims won Istanbul with the inspiration, encouragement and economic help from the Portuguese king Prince Henry Brave. People began effort to discover new sea route. A. In 1498 AD, Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India. Arrange following centers on the basis of Indian map from the east to west in correct order. Constantinople, Baghdad, Calcutta, Lisbon. A. Constantinople. At which place of India under the leadership of the Captain William Hawkins first ship of East India Company arrived in 1608 AD. Mumbai, Surat, Fort William, St. George. B. B is the right option, Surat. Now, which place was established as main center in India of East India Company in 1687 AD? Surat, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Mumbai. D. Mumbai. Company established trade center in India at following place on the basis of the current India map arranged from south to north in correct order. Fort William, Surat, Mumbai, St. George. A. Fort William. Which arrangement as per the order of the arrival of various European tribes came to India is correct? So A is option. France, England, Portuguese, Denmark, Holland. A. 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. One pair is not correct. Portugal, Prince Henry, Calicut, King Zamorin, England, Queen Elizabeth, Holland, Queen Victoria. So D is option, Holland, Queen Victoria. East India Company got the permission from the Mughal Emperor Blank and British East India Company established its first trade center in Surat. So Jahangir, Shah Alam, Mir Qasim and Aurangzeb. Jahangir. French East India Company established trade center in India. They are shown below. Arrange them on the basis of the Indian map from the south to north in correct order. Chandranagar, Mahe, Pondicherry, Karaikal. So A is option 4, 3, 2, 1. Which policy was adopted by the Britishers to increase their trade in India after the Battle of the Plassey and Boxer? So, the policy to make England is answer. The policy to make England richer at the cost of India. What would have happened if of Robert Clive would have been unuseful in Battle of Plassey? A is option. Right answer. Conspiracy. In earlier time, permission had to be taken from the king to do business in India, while today government can give permission to foreign businessmen, but it should be based on B. National welfare and foreign policy. Arrange the following events in correct order. So here, so option, all option given, but answer, okay. 1 minute, children. Now I stop my lecture here. So right answer I give you in the next lecture. Bye everyone.